All right, we're still in Unit 1, Section 2, multiplying. We're going to do multiplying and dividing real numbers in this video, in other words, sign numbers, which I think is a little easier than adding and subtracting because there's really just two rules. If you multiply two numbers of the same sign, they're going to be positive, and two numbers with opposite signs are going to be negative. I know I said that the opposite of what I highlighted. So 9 times 6 from your multiplication tables, hopefully you remember that that's 54, and they're both positive, so that's going to be positive 54. And if I multiply negative 9 times negative 6, that's also positive 54 since they're both negative. But negative 9 times 6 is negative 54 because one is negative, one is positive. Likewise, D, 9 times negative 6 is also negative 54. Negative 6 times negative 6 will be positive 36, and 9 times negative 9 is negative 81. Now, what if we have not just two numbers, but more than two sign numbers? In that case, if there are an even number of negative numbers factors to multiply, even if there are an even number of negative factors to multiply, the product is positive. If there's an odd number of negative factors to multiply, the product is positive. Oh, that's wrong. That's wrong. This should be negative. I'll have that fixed so you probably won't see that. Okay. So yeah, odd number of negative signs, then it's going to be negative. All right, so the first one doesn't have any negative signs, and 5 times 6 is 30, times 2 would be 60. B, I'm just going to take it one step at a time. So negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. Multiply that by 3, I get 36. And you can see that there's 1, 2 negative signs, so that's even number. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. Times 2 would be negative 20. Now I'm on D. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. And then I'm going to multiply this negative 3 times positive 3, which is negative 9. If I multiply those two together, I get negative 81. E, negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. Positive 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And then we have a negative 4. 2 times negative 9 is negative 18, and then negative 18 times negative 4 I know is going to be positive, and I don't know what that is, so I'm just going to multiply it on the side here. 8 times 4, 32. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, so 72, positive 72. F, 9 times 7 is 63, and then if I multiply that by negative 1, I get negative 63. All right, division is very similar. If we have two numbers with the same sign, when we divide them, they're going to be positive. So that's the second bullet. And then the quotient of a positive and a negative number is negative. That is correct this time. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Negative 27 divided by negative 3 is still 9. But this is still positive. Negative 27 divided by negative 9 is going to be positive 3. But on D, we have 27 divided by negative 3, which is negative 9. And then E, negative 24 divided by negative 6 would be positive 4. And F, 9 divided by negative 9 is negative 1.